Hey, what's up guys? Over the years we have used many smartphones, but none of them comes close to this one when it comes to the feature it packs and the price it is offered at. No, we are not talking about Xiaomi, Realme or any of those. We are talking about the Chinese brand Elephone A6 Max. Wait till you hear the specs and price for the overall package you are getting. The Elephone A6 Max is now available for purchase via AliExpress. This can be purchased for only $140 or 9900 Indian rupees approximately, which is a $20 discount compared to its regular retail price tag. The Elephone A6 Max is a budget phone, but it definitely looks more expensive than it actually is. The phone features rather thin bezels for a phone that costs less than $140. The bezels are a bit thicker than bezels on flagship, obviously, and the device does include a chin below the display and a water drop display notch. There are two cameras included on the back of the phone and are located in the top left corner, and a capacitive fingerprint sensor. Moving on to the front of the phone, the Elephone A6 Max sports a big 6.53-inch HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The chipset inside is MediaTek's Helio P22 octa-core SoC, accompanied by 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256GB via a microSD card. This configuration should be enough for almost everyone in everyday use. It's not the best chipset out there, but it's not bad either. For light gaming and performance, it's fine. Now let's come to the best part. It is powered by the 3950 mAh battery that supports fast charging as well as wireless charging. Wireless charging is a rare occurrence in mid-range phones, let alone in this price range. If you think this is the only feature I wanted to talk about, then you are wrong. It has one more feature up its sleeves. It's the NFC support. I have never seen these two features in budget phones. Comment your thought below. It comes with clean Android Pie and no skins of any kind and no bloatware, making it more desirable. Now let's take a look at the cameras. There is a dual rear camera with 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel configuration, while the selfie shooter is also 20 megapixel with face unlock support, in case you are wondering. Other specs includes a USB Type-C charging port, Bluetooth 5.0, 4G LTE. So what do you think about this phone? I think a bump in processor would be great, but this processor is widely used in 7,000 to 14,000 rupees price bracket, and for this price and overall package it's perfect. And with the addition of wireless charging and NFC, I think it's hard to compete for other OEMs. With that, we are at the end of this video. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Peace out.